Now it's time for some action. You have the mentality of an entrepreneur and you know what hobby you're so passionate about that you want to make a full-fledged business. Now it's time to hone your hustle and put all of your focus on this business. So where should you start? What's the first step in starting this potentially profitable venture? Google, of course. You got to search these internet streets for all the necessary info necessary that will help you build your business. Let me give you a brief story of what I did when I entered the e-commerce world. Back in January 2018, I knew online shopping was growing and was the future of retail. I always had a passion for retail, so I decided to try it out for myself. Before I opened my first online store, I would search the internet for success stories of those who make 6+ figures being an e-commerce store owner. That's when I was introduced to the wonderful world of dropshipping. To sum it up, dropshipping is when a customer buys a product from your store and then you turn around to pay a supplier to ship that product to the customer for you. You make a profit by simply charging more than it costs for you to pay for the product. These suppliers can be in China, the US, and all other places around the world. Anyway, once I learned about the existence of dropshipping, I went down the rabbit hole of learning about how to be a successful dropshipper. And let's just say that it took me a while to get it down pat, but eventually I got it. After making over $50,000 in 2019, I made over $135,000 in 2020, and this is just from one store. I made thousands of dollars from a variety of other stores. And my success story is nothing in comparison to drop shippers who make millions of dollars per year. The moral of this story is not to convince you to be a drop shipper, although it is a lucrative business venture. What I'm saying is, if you're passionate about starting a particular business, you have to dedicate serious time to learning everything you can about it. That's what I mean by honing your hustle. You have to hone in on that business and become borderline obsessed with it. Emphasis on borderline, because I don't want you to neglect to pay your bills while you pursue your business aspirations. Still, keep your job until you start your business and it is profitable enough that you can quit your job. But regardless of your work status, you need to dedicate at least 1 hour per day to learning everything you can about your business. And invest that time by watching YouTube videos, listening to podcasts and audiobooks, and reading books and articles that pertain to your business. You need to become a sponge that soaks up every drop of knowledge about your business until you are 100% confident that you are ready to start your business.